Welcome back to Daily Home Trends. Ever feel like your rental is just a series of beige boxes? You want a home that feels like you, but the thought of painting, drilling, or spending a fortune holds you back. What if I told you that the most personal, soul-nourishing spaces aren't built with unlimited budgets or permanent changes, but with intention, creativity, and a great thrift store haul? Today, we're transforming this blank canvas into a personalized sanctuary without breaking the bank, breaking our lease, or breaking a sweat. This is all about rental-friendly design that leans into thrifted core and quiet luxury on a budget. Let's be honest, sanctuary is a word we're all craving. In our fast-paced world, our homes need to be our retreats. But for renters, creating that feeling can feel daunting. So, before we buy a single thing, we shift our mindset. We're not just decorating, we're curating an experience. We're focusing on three things: texture to engage the sense of touch, warm, layered lighting to banish harsh overhead glare, and personal narrative, meaning things that tell your story. Forget the showroom look. We're building a cozy archive of found treasures. Section 1. The Rental-Friendly Blueprint. Plan before you spend. The biggest budget killer is impulsive buys. So, we start with a plan. First, I always respect the rental rules. Check your lease for what's allowed. No paint? No problem. We'll use removable wallpaper on key focal points, or even just on large canvases we lean against the wall. No heavy drilling. We're masters of command strips, tension rods, and freestanding furniture. Now, let's talk layout. We define zones: a seating area for connection, a reading nook for solitude, maybe a plant corner for that essential biophilic design boost. We measure and play with a floor plan app. The goal? A fluid, multifunctional space that works for your life. The fresh idea here? Think vertically and temporally. Use tall, slender bookcases you can fill and take with you. Your largest art piece? Maybe it's a beautiful, lightweight rug hung with a clip system. Section 2. The Thrill of the Hunt. Strategic Thrifting for High-Impact Finds. Now for the fun part, the hunt. We're not just browsing. We're on a strategic mission. Our hit list? First, the anchor furniture. Look for solid wood coffee tables, sideboards, or unique chairs. Shape and structure matter more than color. We can sand and oil wood, or use a removable vinyl wrap. Second, the texture tightens. This is where sanctuary is built. Hunt for chunky knit throws, woven baskets, ceramic vases, and linen napkins that can become wall hangings. Third, the soulful objects: books, old frames, interesting boxes, art prints. These are your story pieces. The trending trick? Thrift flipping is huge. See a dated brass lamp? A simple matte black spray paint used outdoors can make it look like a dark academia dream. Look for potential, not perfection. Section 3, the transformations. DIY magic with rental limits in mind. Here's where we make those finds sing. Let's take this tired wooden stool. A light sanding and a coat of olive green chalk paint, which is low odor and durable, gives it new life. For this massive, uninspired frame, we remove the old print and staple gun a piece of textured, natural colored fabric behind it. Instant textured wall art that's lightweight and removable. Remember that old, small dresser? It's not for clothes anymore. Top it with a tray, and it's a bar cart or plant station. The key is reversible, low-commitment upgrades. We're not stripping and refinishing heirlooms. We're giving good bones a contemporary personal touch. Section 4. Styling the layers the sanctuary comes alive. Furniture in place. Now we layer. This is the Grand Millennial meets Coastal Grandmother secret sauce. First, lighting. Ditch the overhead. We use a tall, thrifted floor lamp for ambient light, a small task lamp on a side table, and maybe some LED candle bulbs in a thrifted sconce we've mounted with adhesive hooks. Instant warmth. Next, softening. Drape that thrifted throw over the sofa arm. Layer a smaller, patterned rug on top of a larger neutral one, which can also hide rental carpet. Pile books, stack objects in threes, lean art against walls on shelves. Finally, life. Plants are non-negotiable for a sanctuary. They purify air and add serene energy. Even in low light, a ZZ plant or a snake plant in a thrifted pot will thrive. And there it is. A living room that started as a blank, impersonal box, now filled with warmth, texture, and your unique story. We did it without permanent alterations, on a thrift store budget, by focusing on feeling over perfection. We built a soft sanctuary, a quiet luxury space that's all about comfort and personal history. This proves that your rental isn't a limitation. It's a playground for creativity. Your sanctuary is waiting for you. It might just be hiding behind an ugly painting at your local thrift shop.